We just finished the house. Do you want to come take a look?
Yeah.
I walk through the door, that's how I get inside.
Whoa.
That's some nice wallpaper.
This is the vegetable. Love this thing.
That's our joke. She can't say vestibule.
All right, this is the final living room. We scrubbed every inch. This used to have curved wall. This was not exposed. We exposed it, painted it green, scraped the popcorn ceiling, lights. We added those 2 lights. I think that was it. Oh yeah, and I built this shelf. But wait, it's a closet. Isn't that neat? We could talk more about it. I'll show some before and afters so you can get a better feel of all the work.
Let me turn on these lights first. Wait a second.
Ooh, he think he fancy.
My favorite piece in here is our 10-foot pew that we got from our church in Baltimore, and it hung out the back of our car as we drove like 20 minutes home. This thing probably weighs over 200 pounds. And there was a wall here, we took it down, it's much more open. We built this peninsula. This is built out of wood. It's reclaimed from one of our other houses, so it's over 100 years old.
We didn't talk about this.
Oh, that little cutout here, this is Anna's handiwork, and she labored on it. It's right between the studs, and she built these little shelves, and our cats love to run between them.
They will never run through it again.
Because we moved.
Sad.
Very nice appliances. How many rentals have what do you call these?
A wall oven?
Yeah.
Is that cool?
I think that's cool.
Oh.
And a downdraft.
Wow.
Very cool. But in here, we added the upper row of cabinets. We added this. We kind of changed the layout around. The fridge used to be here, right?
Yeah.
And then over here, the stove was here. So we switched around some of the stuff. We kept, this was original granite to this house. There wasn't a dishwasher here before. They had one of those portable ones, if you've ever seen those before.
The biggest thing was we raised the ceilings and took down a wall right there.
And we added this little brick feature.
We exposed the brick.
So here's the back little area.
This was, we probably spent a year just in this tiny area because this whole thing was sloped because it used to be a porch. This is an addition. And we had to fix the slope. There was rotted joists, there was termite damage, there was leaking sewage. What else? It was bad. So we ripped all this out. And then this bathroom, we redid the whole thing. It was a full before too. And it was in this configuration, but we still had to redo all the plumbing, all the walls, all the floors. Yeah, it was a lot. But this shower is very pretty. It has a what's it called? No curb.
A curbless, so it's even hard to tell in the video that it's sloped, with a linear drain.
You're so fancy. And I built this out of a Facebook Marketplace dresser for $25. And this is old reclaimed wood that it's actually from the countertop. Forgot.
Oh yeah, so the spot that's cut out for the stovetop, that piece of wood, she made something from it.
I did. Pretty neat.
You
And these floors are sweet. They're real marble. And they were very hard to put in.
Inexpensive.
Inexpensive.
Little backyard. Pretty cute for Baltimore. We built these steps here. That's our mini split condenser. We added mini splits.
Talk about a project. Upstairs?
This is the room. We probably end up staying more in this room because it was finished first. We opened this wall up. There was like a little wall here. We thought it was going to be this big fireplace, and it turned out just to be a chimney. Still cool.
Was a disappointment though.
Over here by the door, this is the original door to the house. We had to put a new lock because none of the doors were hung good. We added a ceiling cassette. This thing was super hard to install. That probably took like 4 months to do. But we have kind of like this cool, what do you call this color?
Mauve.
Purple pink. We have this purple pink color scheme with the flowers, the ceiling, which was a bold choice, and I think it looked really good. Because my designer wife is amazing. Kind of a challenge to this room was this long desk that we added. So it's 13 feet this span, and we have matching Ethan Allen dressers that we built in, which was hard to find, but we got lucky. So it was kind of cool to use an old piece. Like we kept some of the hardware. We did a little bit of customizing, but we were able to like restore it and use it where probably it could have just sat in somebody's garage, and we gave it a new life. All right, Anna's gonna show you the bathroom and the bedroom.
Okay, this bathroom did not exist, so we added it in. And it was a saga. We added the skylight in, which gives a lot of light in here, which is very nice.
Nice and cloudy today.
This bathroom is in the middle of the house, so there would be no windows. And we put a tub in and this beautiful shower head. And then we exposed some brick at the top and put some lighting on it because we fancy like that. And I've never used this toilet. So that's sad. We really didn't get to use this bathroom at all. And I never took a shower in there. We should test that shower to make sure it works.
That was a little uncomfortable seeing you sit on the toilet in the video.
Too bad. And this was a utility sink that came with the house. It's super old. So we repurposed it in this bathroom, and I think it looks really cool. It's a cool mirror. I did a checkerboard stencil behind to make it groovy. And yeah. Oh, and this is my grandma's door.
Wait, let me get the key. Wait. We have the original skeleton key. All right, she's locking the door. All right, she locked the door. See, it works. Let me tell you, they don't build them like they used to.
I remember using my grandma's bathroom at her house, because this was actually at her house. And I would always get scared that I'd get locked in her bathroom. And now I have that fear in my house.
So this was the bathroom door. It wasn't just a door in her house. So we took it from the house and we put it on our bathroom.
So pretty. Okay, bedroom.
Another original, actually no, we replaced this door.
Yeah.
But original rim lock.
We didn't get to enjoy this room pretty because all of our stuff was stored in here. But it looks very pretty now. We got this cool thrifted chair.
It's actually a lazy boy recliner.
It is super old, but it's in great shape. I built this mirror out of flooring. We painted this dresser. We have a giant TV in here. This was a wall. So you can kind of see where these supports are. There was a wall here. So this was 2 separate rooms that didn't really make sense. And that room in the front needed a bathroom, so that's why we put the bathroom there. And then this room has a bathroom in the back. And then we exposed that brick. Classic. And we got laundry right there and a closet on the other side for hanging. We got this cool little LED strip light. Wow. It was fun designing this room because we basically took it down to studs and we could put electric wherever we wanted and really plan it out. So that was fun.
And check out that. USB-C. How many 100-year-old houses have a USB-C outlet?
Not me.
We got 2 of them in here.
Wow. Okay, and then this is the last bathroom for that room. Again, we redid the whole thing. And we have a beautiful shower, marble tile, which is hard to use. I don't know why we keep using that. And the best feature, a bidet, which I'm gonna miss.
These are all the features for your tushy.
Is it clean? Another cool feature in here, LED light mirror, which I recommend. It's good for makeup.
And we have a defogger. So you're in a shower, it will let the mirror defog. And some just like little touches, like this was her grandma's embroidery
So cute.
picture. Now it's perfect.
And that's the house tour. 3 years in the making.
Really, 3 years and 2 months.
3 years and 2 months in the making.
So 3 years, 2 months in the making. This house is done. It's being rented out tomorrow.
We're really cutting it close.
It's a little scary.
Yeah. But, I mean, how could they not love it? I hope. I hope we don't have our expectations too high.
They better love it.
We put a lot of work into this house.
I love.
Yeah. And we're sad to be moving. I'm sad because we didn't fully get to enjoy the house once it was done. So that's a little sad. But we're moving on, and that's life.
Now we got another problem across the way in Baltimore.
Sure do.
And you're gonna see that
Next. Now, if you've been watching our YouTube series on Crusty to Cute, then you've been following along our new house, and you've seen us transform it a little bit. It still has a long way to go.
Yep, so if you haven't seen, it's a duplex. The first floor is halfway finished, and then we moved all of our junk and tools to the second and third floor. That's the second unit of the house, and that's where we're living now.
Yep. So join us for another transformation.
And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. We'd love to have you along. All right, see you next time.
Bye.